Hello guys, welcome to another Excel tutorial section. This is only for 3 minutes and it's another trick for our HR professionals. Other departments can also use it anyway. As usual, this is tip number 34. My name is Gabriel, and for any private discussion or questions, you can DM me or email me or WhatsApp me and we can take it up from there. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, my people data is ready and we want to perform another simple exercise. Today's exercise, we want to see an easy way where we can easily get the names of people in a particular department with a split of like within a very short time. What we are going to use is called the filter function. You start with an equal sign and you write in your function name called filter, just like I am doing. You open your parentheses. The first argument is to select the column that contains the name of all the staff. You bring in your comma, and your second argument is where you select the column that contains the names of all the departments, just like I'm doing. But hold on, you bring in your equal sign and you select the cell that contains where you are going to be changing the department's name. At this point, you can just pause, practice, and come back. Welcome back. The next part, which is the last part, is if it is empty. So if it is empty, what should Excel say? This is where you put in, I'm going to put in not found, but you can also put in anything of your choice. That is if it hasn't found any data. You end by closing your parentheses and bingo, as easy as ABCD. So now I have HR department written there and the names of all the people in the department has popped up. Isn't that so cool? Let's validate my data. We check the name Mamefwan is in the HR department. We check Gifty is also in the HR department. It means the function worked out right. Let's try with another department. So I'm typing in the IT department and I did not need to go through the entire list of my staff. And Easy is giving me Godwin and Frank to be in the IT department. I check and it's also correct. I think we might try it with maybe the production department and see. I try it with the production department and bingo. All the names of the people in the production department just pop up. Simple and straightforward. That was our 3-minute section for today. You can pause, practice, and DM me if you have questions. Like and share with other HR enthusiasts. Thank you for today's session. See you in our next videos. Bye.